Antwerp is the largest city in the Flanders region of Belgium and the second largest city in Belgium overall, after Brussels. The city is situated on the Scheldt River, which provides access to the North Sea, making it a vital port city. Antwerp's port is one of the busiest in Europe and the second largest in the world, playing a crucial role in global trade. The city has a rich history dating back to Roman times, when it was known as Antwerpia. Antwerp is renowned for its diamond district, where approximately 80% of the world's rough diamonds are traded. The Cathedral of Our Lady, Ons Lieve Vrouwe Cathedral, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and features stunning Gothic architecture. The cathedral houses several masterpieces by the Baroque painter Peter Paul Rubens, who was born in the city. Antwerp is famous for its vibrant art scene, with numerous museums and galleries showcasing both historical and contemporary works. The Royal Museum of Fine Arts Antwerp, KMSKA, contains an extensive collection of Flemish paintings, including works by Rubens and Van Dyck. The city has a unique blend of architectural styles, ranging from Gothic and Baroque to Art Nouveau and modern designs. Antwerp's Market Square features the impressive City Hall, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that combines Gothic and Renaissance elements. The city is known for its fashion industry, often referred to as the fashion capital of Belgium, with many renowned designers hailing from Antwerp. The Royal Academy of Fine Arts Antwerp has produced several famous designers, including the Antwerp Six, a group of influential fashion designers. Antwerp's Zoo, established in 1843, is one of the oldest zoos in the world and is located right in the city center. The city has a vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues offering a diverse range of entertainment options. Antwerp is home to the largest collection of works by Rubens in the world, housed in the Rubenshuis Museum, which was the artist's former residence. The city celebrates its rich cultural heritage through various festivals, including the Antwerp Pride and the Antwerp Beer Festival. The Antwerp Symphony Orchestra, Orkest van Vlaanderen, is one of the oldest orchestras in Belgium, offering a wide range of classical performances. The city has a significant student population, with several universities and colleges attracting students from around the world. The Antwerp Central Station, known for its stunning architecture, is often ranked among the most beautiful train stations in the world. The city's public transportation system includes trams, buses, and trains, making it easy to navigate. Antwerp has a thriving culinary scene, offering everything from traditional Belgian cuisine to international flavors. The city is known for its beer culture, with numerous breweries producing a variety of local beers, including the famous Belgian Trappist Aleks. The Hand of Antwerp is a mythical symbol of the city, representing the legend of a giant who demanded a toll from passing ships. The city is also famous for its chocolate, with many artisanal chocolatiers creating exquisite Belgian chocolates. Antwerp's harbor is an important hub for the shipping industry, with extensive facilities for container shipping. The city hosts the annual Antwerp Fashion Week, showcasing the latest trends and talents in the fashion industry. Antwerp's historic center is characterized by narrow streets, picturesque squares, and beautifully preserved buildings. The city has a diverse population, with a rich mix of cultures and languages, including Dutch, French, and English. Antwerp has been an important center for art and culture since the Renaissance, attracting artists, writers, and philosophers. The city is home to several impressive churches, including St. James Church, known for its ornate Baroque interior. The Antwerp Diamond Museum provides insights into the history and significance of the diamond trade in the city. The city has a strong maritime heritage, with several maritime museums showcasing its nautical history. Antwerp's fashion district features numerous boutiques, showrooms, and flagship stores of renowned designers. The city has a lively street art scene, with colorful murals adorning many buildings throughout the urban landscape. Antwerp's botanical garden, the Plantentuin, is a hidden gem that offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. The city has a rich literary history, having been the home of several famous writers, including the poet Hugo Claus. Antwerp is well known for its unique local dialect, which incorporates elements of Dutch and has distinct pronunciation. The city's historical guild houses, located around the market square, showcase the wealth and power of the merchant class in the past. The Museum on de Stroom Mas is a modern museum that tells the story of Antwerp's history, culture, and its connection to the world. Antwerp's annual carnival features colorful parades, costumes, and lively celebrations, attracting visitors from far and wide. The city has a strong sporting culture, with popular sports including football, cycling, and athletics. The Port House, designed by Zaha Hadid, is a striking architectural landmark that serves as the headquarters for the Antwerp Port Authority. Antwerp's historic diamond district features numerous shops and traders, making it a fascinating area to explore. The city embraces sustainability with various green initiatives, including parks and eco-friendly transportation options. Antwerp's fashion scene is characterized by a mix of high-end boutiques and vintage shops, catering to all tastes and budgets. The city has a reputation for being one of the most bike-friendly cities in Belgium, with extensive cycling paths. The Cathedral of Our Lady's spire reaches a height of 123 meters, making it one of the tallest in the Low Countries.